I'm not having any luck with my lights at the moment. My HID on the driver's side is dead. I don't know what the issue is yet, but they are well over 3 years old. And there's some slight flickering on the passenger side bulb there for the LED fog light. But it was an inexpensive bulb. I'm going to try to replace it with an SNGL 3000K bulb, and we'll see how it performs. But you can see on the yellow bulb that it's actually still working. It does light up the ground fairly well. Let's see what these SNGLs can do. The SNGL H11 bulb here is a fanless design, and you can see it's got 2 chips on it, one on each side. They're getting washed out by the light on the camera, but there you go. You can see the 1 chip there. So I'm going to go ahead and install this into the fog lights right now. Alright, so to get to the fog light, the easiest thing to do is remove the 10mm bolt that's here. And then there is another 10mm bolt right here. Once you do that, then you can grab the liner here and kind of pull it away enough that you can reach your hand in there, and there you go. There is the fog light. So you can just reach your hand back in there and then get the old fog light out and put the new one in. I've disconnected the HID on the passenger side, so all that are on are the daytime running lights and the fogs. And the new one on the passenger side does look just as bright as the cheaper LED one I had on the right, except that when I start to stand back here, you can see it's actually casting its beam a little bit further than the one on the driver's side. So I was kind of hesitant to test out one of these style bulbs, but it's definitely doing the job. I'm going to go ahead and install the other side now, but let's do it from here. So you're standing in the middle looking forward, so you can clearly see on the right hand side that the yellow bulb is definitely cutting over here more than the driver's side, which kind of terminates out over to here. I actually have this out of the housing because I was just checking the polarity of this plug, because it's actually part of the harness that powers the lights underneath of here. Also, I wanted to see how hot this actually gets when it's been running for a little while. So let's see here. 154 degrees on that heatsink. So yeah, so these do get a little hot over time. That's why they have fans on the headlight ones, which are even brighter than this. Both SNGL fog lights are installed. Remember, I don't have headlights turned on. These are just the daytime running lights. But you can see how far it's casting out that beam pattern. That's pretty impressive. So let's go back to the car and see how far out it shines. Much better. And here's what it looks like inside the car with just the fog lights again. I'm pretty happy with how they look. Hopefully they'll last a while. If not, then I'll of course do an updated review video. I just have my fingers crossed that these do live up to the reviews that I've seen online. Now, if you own some SNGL LED fog lights or headlights, please post in the comments below. I'm curious to see what your experience is with them. I may even give LED headlights a shot. I usually like to stick with HIDs for those, because in the wintertime the HIDs will at least melt the snow a little bit that forms on there. But I also want to test out some new technologies, and while I was always hesitant about LED headlights not working as well as HIDs, I think the technology has come far enough at this point, and the affordability, that it's worth giving it a shot. So there might be another review video down the road here on headlights. Alright, I hope this helps you out if you're thinking about getting some new LED fog light bulbs. Thanks for watching.